All right, hello guys. Good morning. Welcome to our live trading session for today. Um, so sorry for the delay. Uh, we're having some sort of technical issues, but it's all sorted out now. And so let's go into the market and do what we usually do, which is analyze the market and look out for entry opportunities. So guys, I hope everyone is ready. Uh, I hope you are here with a real account. If you don't have a real account, I would suggest you fund your account right now. And if you fund your account on my live stream, you'll be eligible to join my premium group. So I have a premium group where I give signals, market reports, and market analysis. To become a premium member, you just need to fund your account on this live stream. And to do that, click on the banner where deposit with benefit is written on. Now, if you click on the banner, it will take you to the deposit page. When you get to the deposit page, if you deposit $10 will get you into my premium group for 2 weeks. If you deposit $15, $15 will get you into my premium group for 1 month. And if you deposit up to $200, $200 will get you into my premium group for 1 month. And then you also get a one-on-one live trading session with me, okay? A one-on-one live trading session, just you and I, all right? So, guys, and please note, the money you are funding into your account is going into your trading wallet, all right? So you are not paying for all the benefits you get to enjoy in the premium group, right? You just need to fund through my live trading session using that deposit with benefit banner, for me to be able to track you and know that you are interested in becoming my premium member. So guys, let's dive into the market and see the opportunity the market has for us today. So I'm currently on XAUUSD, that is the gold. Okay, all right, that's the gold as it is widely known. So what's going on XAUUSD? Okay, what's going on XAUUSD? So ever since this high was created, which is the all-time high, yeah, ever since the market reached this level, the market has been trading bearish. Okay, the market has been trading bearish. So giving power to the bears, right? Giving power to the bears, giving utmost power to the bears. So when the bears have the power, the market would sell, right? When the bears have the power, the market will sell. Though we have internal movement, which is the small time frame buys, okay? But unless you are a professional scalper, I would suggest you stick to the intraday trading, okay? The intraday style of trading. So now let's go to the lower time frame. Let's go to 15 minutes time frame. So on the 15 minutes time frame, as you can see, the market is still bearish. Okay, so the bearish momentum is very obvious here. So what we want the market to do now is we have a trend line on the 15 minutes time frame that is showing a minor break of trend line. So I call it a minor break of trend line because there's no other support to back it up here. right? So the only support we have here, got broke to the downside. So even though it broke back inside the support again, we are still not sure if the market is going to turn around and give the bulls the power. So what we're going to do here now is we're going to keep an eye on this trade from the higher time frame, preferably the 1 hour time frame. Stay on the chart and see how the market moves, right? So we don't want to get caught up by a sudden move in the market. So right now, I would say there's no decision. Yeah, it's showing a bullish strength, and we have a breakout and a break-in. So the break-in is supposed to be a retest, and that's why I'm not sure if the market is actually going to respect the other block that got broken out and then in again. So what we're going to do, as I've said earlier, we're going to keep an eye on this trade, see what happens next. And then we also have our indicator. We have our moving average, right? And the moving average is also suggesting a buy from this price point. Okay. So the market closed above the moving average. And when the market closes above a moving average this way, if it closes above the moving average, it means the market is preparing to buy. Okay. If it closes below the moving average, it means the market is about to sell. Right. So that is the analysis on XAUUSD. As I've said, we need more confirmation before we open any position here, right? So let's just wait. Let's have patience, right? Um, so possibly before the end of our session, we might have, a move we can take advantage of. But for now, there's no confirmation. All right. So there's no confirmation. Okay, there's no confirmation. And let's go to 5 minutes time frame. Let me see if the 5 minute time frame is doing anything different. All right, so on the 5 minutes time frame, the market had earlier, took off from this zone. Okay, the market took off from this zone. So what I'm expecting here is I expect the market to come to this level where we have a fair value gap. So this is the only fair value gap we have here. All right, this is the only fair value gap we have here, and the market didn't actually respect the 50, didn't get to the 50%, right, before moving bullish. So what I'm expecting the market to do here is I expect the market to come to this level, right, where we have our fair value gap. So I expect the market to get into the fair value gap and give a rejection, an indication that the bulls are taking over the market, right? So when that happens, we are opening a buy position, right? So we have more time, and that's good for us, right? We have time to wait for the market to get to this zone, right? So let's give this like 10 to 15 minutes, and then we'll come back to check if the market is respecting our analysis. All right, so let's analyze BTC USDT. Let's analyze BTC USDT. So this is BTC USDT, and as you can see, we have a double bottom. Okay, we have a double bottom, and double bottom uh, is a buying indicator. Okay, so it indicates a level where sellers have tried to push the market downward, but because we have a strong bullish momentum on those zones, they were able to push the market to their favor the first time, and then the second time when the market tried to push them out to go below the support level, the market, the bulls were still able to push back for the second time. So what this is going to do to the market is, now the market is going to buy. Okay, the bears will actually allow the bulls to take over, and then they will go back to re-strategize. Right, wait for the market. Uh, okay, wait for the market on an order block zone or a fair value gap zone. Okay, so those are delicate zones where they will stay for the market, wait and stay and wait for the market, and when the market gets there, they will try to push it down harder. Okay, so let's go down to the lower time frame. We are currently on the 1 hour time frame, right? So this is the 15 minutes time frame. This is the 15 minutes time frame, and what we have here, see, the double bottom is very obvious here. Okay, the double bottom is very obvious, and the market is respecting it. So we also have the SMC pattern here. Okay, we have the SMC pattern. Okay. So this is the 15 minutes time frame. There's one more reason why. Okay, there's just one reason why we're not going to be opening position for this trade, and the reason is because I love to catch entries early. Hello, sir. What's good, man? What does Sunday this? All right. So this is where our stop loss is going to be. Okay, and the reason why we are extending our stop loss to this level is because of this low, right? So the whole of this level, the whole of this other block level is a support level, right? And when the sellers try to push the market downwards, you see, they were able to push it to this level, and we can use this level as our stop loss zone. Okay, so stop loss zone is supposed to be the last low. This is not the last low. Okay, this is the last low, because after this low, there's no any other uh, structural low. Okay, so we can't use that as our low. But instead, and then I'm not going to open a position from here. The market is running already, right? So this is where I would have opened a position if I had seen this earlier, right? So my entry would definitely be okay. So let's say here. Okay, so I'll open a position here, and when the market got to this point, I'll open another position. Okay, and if we had done this, we will be in deep profit by now. Okay, but where we have it right now, where the market currently is, you can also open a buy position from here, but your stop loss will be too wide. Okay, your stop loss will be too wide, and if the market goes against you, you will close. Right. Sorry about that, guys. So, as I was saying, if you open a buy position from here, this is your entry. You see, our risk to reward ratio is just 0.86. Okay, and that is not a good investment. Trust me. So you want to have at least 1.50 as your risk to reward ratio. Okay. But if you are doing this, if you want to increase your take profit, your stop loss is still wide. All right. Your stop. This is the 15 minute. All right. Your stop loss is so let's take an analysis. Uh, Okay, so we are currently on Ethereum USDT. So let's make analysis on Ethereum USDT. Okay, so I'm starting my analysis from the 1 hour time frame. Okay, I'm starting my analysis from 1 hour time frame, and I'm not going to go far. I mean, it's quite obvious the market is bullish. Okay, okay. So on Ethereum USDT 1 hour time frame, the market is currently on a support zone. Okay, and I expect the market to continue its bullish move. Right. So, but before I open a position here, I would love to see the market, the candle above the two moving average. Okay, so I'd love to see the candle closing above the moving averages. So we have the 21 moving average and the 7 moving average. So once the candle closes above it, I think we have a break above the candlestick already. So this is our stop, our first take profit, and this is our stop loss. Okay, this is going to be our stop loss. So let's go to 5 minutes time frame. So on the 5 minutes time frame, as you can see, the markets took liquidity. We have this long spike, this huge spike. We have this huge spike to the downside. Okay, and liquidity was taken. So after the liquidity, we had a break of structure. So now I am expecting the market to go bullish, right? Guys, trust me, this is a beautiful trade. Okay, so this analysis is from the 5 minutes, okay, from 1 hour time frame down to the 5 minutes time frame, right? So guys, I'm going to be opening a buy position from here, right? But if you have a small balance, uh, Ethereum USDT is not suitable for small balance. Okay, if you have a small balance, please be very careful. In fact, our advice you stay away from this market. Okay, if you have a small balance, please stay away from this trade. If you have a balance less than $20, please stay away from this trade. Okay. Okay. So I'm in. Right. So I just opened a position on Ethereum USDT. Okay. If you are interested in opening a buy position on Ethereum USDT, you can do that right now. So I'm just going to paste the take profit on the screen for you all to see. But trust me, it's a risky trade. Okay, I'm going to copy and paste the take profits too. Sorry, the one I pasted earlier is the take profit. So let me paste the stop loss now. All right, so we have the take profit, we have the stop loss for this trade, right? We have our take profit, we have our stop loss. If you are interested, you want to open the same position I have opened, you can open the position and set your take profit and your stop loss. Okay, so let's continue with our analysis. So we have ETC USDT. Okay, we have the ETC USDT. Okay, let's see what's going on ETC USDT. Let's see if the market is preparing to buy or if it's going to continue to sell. right? So for ETC USDT, I think the market is going to buy. Okay, I think it's going to buy from where it is currently. Okay. All right. So this is the 2 hour time frame, and if we go down to the 1 hour, we can see a clearer version of what is really going on in the market. Okay, and as you can see right now, all right. Okay, guys. Okay, so all right, so we didn't get any opportunity on Ethereum. Sorry, on ETC USDT. Okay, right. So we didn't actually get any opportunity there. So what we're gonna do now is let's move on to BNB USDT. Okay, let's move on to BNB USDT. So on the BNB USDT, we are currently a 1 hour time frame. Okay, this is the Binance coin against the United States Tether. Right. So let's analyze Binance coin against the United States Tether and see what the market is currently playing at. So we have a trend line. We have another trend line. So guys, pay attention to what I'm doing here. Okay, I'm not just drawing the trend line, you know, for drawing sake, right? There's actually a reason why I have these trend lines here. And the first reason is because, as you can see here, the market had previously rejected this zone. We had another rejection here. Okay, so this is, we have two rejection point here. So these two rejections, you see, I used a horizontal line. I used the line that is connecting both rejection points. Okay, so I started it from our first rejection to the second rejection. Okay, that was how I got this line. And then for the second line, you see we had more than two rejections, or more than two touches rather. So we have the first one, first touch. We had the second touch. The market actually broke out of it around this zone. But look at what happened. We had a retest. Okay. And immediately the market got there. What happened? The market started to sell. Okay. So the market sold to this point before we had another break in. Right. So right now the market is still trying to make decision from here. But we have a breakout and a break in. Then we have areas where the market had previously rejected from. So now I think we can also use yes, and have this around here. Okay. Okay. So we have a zone where the market previously rejected. Okay. I think we have similar move on So we also have an entry on BNB USDT. Okay, so we are currently on the 15 minutes time frame. All right, so guys, let's continue. We have few minutes to the end of our live trading session, right? Okay, so uh, Let's analyze another crypto instrument with the remaining minutes. Okay, so this is the last one we have here. For, okay, okay. So yeah, we had analysis on gold earlier, and then I said I'm expecting gold to make a pullback back into a fair value gap, right? Okay, so before we round up our live trading session for today, um, I want to quickly remind you guys about our trading event that is starting next week. Okay, so guys, start funding your account. If you haven't fund $20 on my live stream. Okay, so you'll be qualified to participate in the event. If you fund $20, Miss Bella is going to contact you and add you to the premium group if you are not already in the premium group. All right. So start funding. We are starting on Monday. Okay. So if you make your deposit early, you start to grow your account early. Right. So I'll see you all again on Monday. Enjoy the rest of your day. Enjoy your weekend. Bye for now.